Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Strizich. Today you're going to work on a little project all by yourself at your computer. So you should have a pencil and you should also have this page in front of you. It's 5-4 and it's in your math book. It's page 149. So if you don't have that, I want you to pause the video and go grab it. All right, so we're going to kind of work through this together, this sheet. You should be sitting at a computer with your headphones, and you should have a pencil, like I said, and ready to listen to me. So here we go. The instructions read, match the equation with the picture that shows how to use the make a 10 strategy to solve. So we did this earlier in this chapter, so it should be fairly simple for you to figure out. I'm going to walk you through the first few, and then I'm going to have you pause the video and work on the rest on your own. Okay, so let's take a peek at number 1. Number 1 reads 8 plus something equals 14. Now, we practiced this a bunch. You know, when we have a missing addend, we always put this small number in our hand, 8, and we count up to the bigger number, 14. Okay, you can also do that by drawing a picture or drawing dots. So we can say 8, and then we can count up to 14 by drawing dots. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to count these dots here, ones that I just drew, and that's my missing number. So I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. So my missing number is 6. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. So I'm going to look for something over here that looks similar to 8 plus 6. So I know my first number is 8, so I'm looking for something. I'm just looking for 8 at the beginning here. So 8 plus 3? Nope, that's not it. 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. 8 plus 6. This shows us that we have 8 plus 6, or we can say 10 plus 4 is 14. So I want you to draw a line from here to here. Okay, the second type of problem you're going to have to solve today is just you're solving for the sum or the answer. So this one's pretty simple, 7 plus 5. Again, we put the big number in our hand and we add on the smaller amount. You can do this in your head. You can do this with fingers. You can do this by drawing a picture. I'm going to draw a picture just to help you. So 7, and I'm going to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. Go ahead and write that in the box. Okay, so now I'm going to look for 7 plus 5 over here. And so I'm looking for 7 along here. So there's 7. Is this 5? No, that's not 5. So that one's not going to work. How about this one? Is this 7 plus 5? Awesome. Yes, it is 7 plus 5. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line from this one all the way down to here. Okay? So you should be able to go ahead and figure out the rest of these on your own. You're either combining to find the total, or you're putting the small number in your hand, counting up to the big number to find a missing addend. So I want you to work through the whole front side of this page. When you're finished, sorry. What I want you to do right now is pause the video while you work. And when you get when you've done number 8, so when you're down to here, so I'm trying to draw, then you can start the video again and I'll explain how to do number 9. So go ahead and pause the video and do all of these problems, then start the video again, and then I'll show you how to do number 9. Okay, so now you should be ready for number 9 if you pause the video. Number 9 says, ring the picture above that shows how to use a make a 10 strategy to solve the equation. So if I'm looking at 13 minus 7, which one of these up here shows me that? So remember when we do subtraction, we take the small number and count on. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm looking for something up here that matches this equation down here. And when it says ring the picture, I want you to just draw a big circle around which one matches. Now, it might not be that one. It's not that one. I'll just tell you that. Okay, so I'm going to let you figure that one out. Again, go ahead and pause the video while you circle, and then I want you to turn the page to the back of this page. Okay, so now you should have turned the page. You should be on the back of the page that looks like this. Again, it's 5-4. It's page 150. That got cut off on the bottom of mine a little bit. But if you're on the page that looks like mine, then you've done it right. So what I want you to do to finish your job today is you can choose to do any 10 problems on this page. So I want you to pick 10. I don't care which 10. Any 10 that you pick is fine with me. Whoops, I'm drawing the wrong thing. I want to make a 0 here. Okay, so I want you to pick 10. So, and then just solve them. When you're finished, this is just going to go in the basket at your table spot. You can stay at the computer right now if you want to finish, or you can take this back to your seat and work on it there. I don't really care which one ever works best for you. Remember, when you're done, I want you to put this in your basket at your table spot. And then if you finish before it's time to switch today, you can go ahead and just pull out your math packet and work quietly on that. Or if you want to practice on your time tests, you can practice pulling out your time test pocket, and you can practice that because we're going to do that later today. All right, awesome job. See you later.